Hey Queen! In today's video, I will show you a super easy makeup tutorial for school or work. I usually start by applying moisturizer because it makes skin surface smooth for more even foundation application and it helps makeup to stay longer. If I'm going out during the daytime, I apply sunscreen after the moisturizer. But today, I'm just doing this makeup for this video. So I'll move to the next step, which is foundation. Next, I apply concealer under my eyes and on my eyelid. Then I use powder to lock everything in place. I'll begin my eyeshadow with this color as a transition shade. As you can see, I'm using a big fluffy blending brush and I'm blending this color on my crease all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Then I use a flat shader brush to apply this golden shimmery color on the inner corner and the middle of my eyelid. Then I use a darker shade and apply it to the outer corner of my eyelid. And I use the brush to blend the color towards the center like this, because I want the two shades to mesh well, but also to make the color appear more intense in the outer corner. Without using more eyeshadow on my brush, I just slightly pass the brush on my crease. Then I apply the same dark shade to my lower lash line. And I don't bring it to the inner corner, just the outer part of my lash line. Then I connect the shade in my outer corner like this. Next, I use my powder brush to brush away and clean up any eyeshadow fallout. Next, I apply mascara to my upper lashes. Then to my lower lashes. And finally, the second coat to my upper lashes. Yes, I don't draw my eyebrows for my everyday makeup. I just brush them to remove any foundation or powder and to make them appear more, let's say, in a nice shape or more defined. And finally, I remove mascara smudges after the mascara has dried using a Q-tip. And this is the final look. Yeah, I did only one side of my face because I'm not going anywhere today. I just wanted to make this video. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And till next week, queens!